My name is Marius Nel. I teach New Testament at Stellenbosch University.
And I'm Francois Viljoen, also New Testament from the Northwest University in Potchefstroom.
And we're co-chairs of the subgroup Jesus in the Gospels. So briefly, the subgroup focuses on all the Gospels. So it includes Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. And we focus on Jesus research, historical Jesus research and related sort of literature to Jesus.
For the 2026 conference, we are responsible for the contents of this conference. And we consider the theme of bioptic perspectives on Jesus. Traditionally, the people would just work with the synoptic gospels, would focus on Mark, what Mark says about the historical Jesus, without much emphasis on what John would say because of this of what John is, the contents of John. But with Jesus within a bioptic perspective, we would like to see the interaction between John and Mark and what they would say about Jesus. Therefore, we invite scholars specifically working on the synoptic gospels, but also in John's gospel to participate in this conference.